How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to make $100,000 a year without a college degree. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comments section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So this is my personal opinion. Take everything with a grain of salt. It's all just an opinion. You guys can do with it what you want. The best way to make money is by being as efficient as possible. Yes, it's great to work hard, but eventually there will come a time where you physically can't make any more money because you run out of hours in the day. This is why you need passive income. So if you're looking to generate a ton of money without a college degree, even with a college degree, having passive income of some sort is the way that you can make more money, you guys. So passive income is just basically where you get money by doing nothing or very little work. So you put in the time and effort, you've built something up, and now you're getting all the passive income from it. And a great example of this, an amazing example of this, would be renters in a house. You own the house, say it's a 5-bedroom house, and you only occupy 1 room. Well, you now have 4 rooms that you can rent out to make a profit. And a lot of people who are very intelligent are doing this. Generally, in my area, I can charge $800-900 for a room. So you could get 3 people. That's $2,700 a month. Almost $3,000 a month. In a year, that's almost $36,000, you guys, simply by having one house that you own and you rent it to a few people. Now, people will say, well, there's certain rules you have to follow, blah, blah, blah. It's really not that hard, you guys, if you're a landlord to your friends, because your friends aren't going to sue you. They're not going to do anything. Yeah, they could be messy, but that's why you get good friends that you know are clean, they're responsible, and in my opinion, this is one of the easiest ways to make passive income. Now, for anyone out there, well, you don't have a house, you can't get a house. How can you get a house? The easiest way to get a house, you only need a 5% down payment. So if you find a house, $200,000, you only need $10,000. Now, some of you may be thinking, well, I can't get this 10 grand. I don't know what to do. You got to grind. That initial money, that's where you have to grind. If you have a day job, get another part-time job. Get that extra passive income. I know a lot of people where I know a lot of friends that currently do this. They work 2 jobs and their savings are anywhere from $1,000 a month just from having that extra job. So if you do 10 months or a year of working another job, you make 12 grand. That's enough for the down payment on the house, you guys. Assuming you have decent credit, then you can start the passive income. You can start renting out your rooms, and that's when the money starts coming in. Once that money starts coming in, you can buy another house and just keep doing that over and over again. And that's what a lot of people do, you guys. So that's one way of passive income. Another way of passive income is doing the YouTube, the affiliated marketing with Amazon. There's so many different ways to make passive income. And it's easy. Website, blogging, a lot of these times people will, you go on these programs and they'll give you money. So once you build up your channel, once you build it up, then you can just smooth sail. You'll get extra income each month, and it adds up, you guys. Trust me, it's crazy. So that's another way. The way to make that initial money, so if you want to do the renting of the rooms, if you want to do the YouTube, all that, but for an actual job itself, a great way to make money is by doing a trade of some sort, because with a trade, you start off working and you're making good money and you're learning the job. And then what happens, sorry, I have like a hair right here. And then you start making money, but the thing is, it's not costing you money to go to school. If you go to school, there's a high % chance that you'll get a good job when you leave, but it's not a guarantee that you'll get a good job. I know a lot of people that have taken 4-year business programs, certain types of financing, analytics, stuff like that, and they're working crappy jobs, you guys, making like $18 an hour, and there's no room for improvement. So I did a trade myself, and at the peak of my trade, I was making like 100 grand a year, you guys, and I eventually stopped that just because I didn't like it. I wanted to do something different, but at the time it wasn't that hard of money, and you make good money. And the thing is, I didn't owe any money going to school. The amount of money it cost me to go to school was like $1,000, and that's nothing if you're making 100 grand a year. So trades, very good. Carpenter, welder, electrician. I was an electrician, you guys. All of these are very good. Once you get to your journeyman status, your red seal status, that's what I am, red seal journeyman electrician. Once you get to that status, you'll make a ton of money, you guys. And then from there on, you can just reap the rewards, and then you can start passive income if you want. You can make more money doing that. So end of video. Hopefully I did help you guys out with some ideas. Again, carpenter, welder, electrician, pipe fitter, all those are amazing jobs to get into. Anything with the trades will make you good money, plus the passive income from the renters, the house. That is what I would do. End of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.